Guys, I wanted to say that Pop on Veneers is everything I hope for and more. Look how beautiful. Oh my God. I feel like a new person since I got these. Oh my God. Like, I don't know what else to say. They're amazing. Take a little bit to get used to, but wow. I couldn't, I was so shocked when I first got these. Oh, and they're out. They come out easily. They go in easily. The impressions were perfect. Sorry, just trying to make, sense of like, that's exactly how it's done, you know what I mean? That's why I kept that and did that in the video, because that's really how easy it is. And see that? That is an absolute mess and a horror behind that. So that's exactly why I got Pop on Veneers, and it was the best money I've ever spent in my life, almost. I feel like a complete different person with these things, to be honest. I'll show you guys again how easy it is to put them in. I took them out, I'll put them in. Snap them in. Boom. Boom. Easy. You want to make sure in the back that they're popped in, like that's where I feel like they pop in, like more or less. But I mean, it is around your whole entire, around the whole way around. But I feel like they pop in more in the back if you have any molars in the back. But go from what you just saw when I took them out to this. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Thank you so much, Pop on Veneers, for making the most perfect, these are perfect impressions. Like, I sent 3 impressions in, and they couldn't have done a better job. So I just wanted to thank you guys again, and hopefully this reaches out to more people that, will like, people that want to get them, people that I know have already asked me about them, so hopefully they get them too. But Pop on Veneers, you rock. Thank you very much.